Welcome back to the programming series. In this video, we will explore loops in C, C++, Java, and Python. Loops are one of the most important concepts in programming, allowing us to execute a block of code multiple times efficiently. Imagine you need to print numbers from 1 to 100. Instead of writing 100 print statements, you can use loops to repeat the action automatically. Loops help reduce repetition, save time, and make programs more efficient. There are three main types of loops used in programming: for loop, used when we know the number of repetitions; while loop, used when the number of repetitions is unknown; do while loop, similar to while, but guarantees at least one execution. Let's see this one by one. A for loop runs a set number of times. Let's see an example where we print numbers from 1 to 5 in C, C++, Java, and Python. The loop starts at 1, checks if it is less than or equal to 5, prints the number, then increases it by 1. This repeats until the condition is false. The while loop is used when we don't know how many times the loop should run. It continues as long as a condition is true. Here's an example where we count down from 5 to 1. The loop starts at 5, checks if I is greater than or equal to 1, prints the number, and decreases it by 1. This repeats until I is less than 1. The do-while loop is similar to while, but it always runs at least once, even if the condition is false. Here's an example where we print numbers from 1 to 5. First, the loop runs and prints I. Then, it checks if I equals 5 before repeating. If I was already greater than 5, the loop would still run once. Be careful! If you forget to update the loop variable, the loop will never stop. This is called an infinite loop. Always make sure to include an increment or condition to exit the loop. To summarize, for loop, used when the number of repetitions is known. While loop, used when the number of repetitions is unknown. Do while loop, runs at least once before checking the condition. That's it for loops. In the next video, we'll explore functions in C, C++, Java, and Python. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.